Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from BitGet to your bank account. As you may know, to transfer your money, your crypto from BitGet to bank account, you will first need to have fiat money. So you will need to go ahead and convert your cryptocurrencies into fiat money. Now, before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. I really appreciate it. Now you want to go ahead on your wallet right there. So in order to convert your crypto to a fiat, you want to go ahead and on your spot account and choose right there. As you can see, there is crypto and fiat. So first of all, choose fiat. Now you choose your currency from these and you want to click convert. After that, you will see that you can go ahead and swap them. So for example, I want to sell USDT to fiat money. You're gonna enter the USDT or some other crypto amount. You're gonna receive fiat after that by clicking sell. And now you want to go ahead and click on withdraw. So again, you can go ahead here on spot account if you want to and click withdrawal. After that, you will be redirected to this page where it is bank deposit, which is 0 fee. And you will need to bind your email, phone number, and do an ID verification. After that, you can select your currency and choose a payment method. So maybe it would be a SEPA payment. The fee is €1, processing time 2 working days. And after that, you're gonna enter withdrawal details and like your bank account and send money from BitGet to your bank account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.